Hi, Tim. I'm responding to your analyzing the situation. I find that it's a key component, as you mentioned. It's something that you said you've effectively used in your work environment, and it's definitely made it more efficient. And it's something that I think going into knowing who your audience is, like what they already know, what they don't know, what kind of questions they may ask, if you're already on top of those things and well informed on them, you're able to answer those questions. They're going to trust you more. The flow of the meeting presentation is going to go better. The audience are going to be on board, and it's just going to have an overall better impact. We tend to, analyze a lot in our work environment. There's a lot of numbers and things that go into it. Something that we do is there's what we call a standard unit, and it's how fast the associates process. And so something that we've had to analyze is cell phone usage in the workplace. So when you're holding them to a standard and the cell phone usage, we rely on everything, all the apps, the media, constantly on our cell phones. And so we are trying to determine, how much is too much when you're at work, or, what will help the environment, what's good for it, what's not good for it, and something we're currently still working on. And I think it's a difficult one that we're trying to accomplish here. So it's really good to hear that your team has made a good turnaround.